Pio of Pietrelcina, born Francisco Forgione, born 25 of May 1887, and died 23rd of September 1968. Widely known as Padre Pio, Italian for Father Pius, was an Italian Capuchin friar, priest, stigmatist, and mystic. He is venerated as a saint in the Catholic Church, celebrated on the 23rd of September. Pio joined the Capuchins when he was 15 and spent most of his religious life in the convent of San Giovanni Rotondo. He was marked by stigmata in 1918, leading to several investigations by the Holy See. Despite temporary sanctions imposed by the Vatican, his reputation kept increasing during his life, attracting many followers to San Giovanni Rotondo. He was the founder of the Casa Sollievo della Sofferenza, a hospital built near the convent of San Giovanni Rotondo. After his death, his devotion continued to spread among believers all over the world. He was beatified on the 2nd of May 1999 and canonized on the 16th of June 2002 by Pope John Paul II. His relics are exposed in the sanctuary of Saint Pio of Pietrelcina, next to the convent of San Giovanni Rotondo, now a major pilgrimage site. Prayer to Saint Pio of Pietrelcina. Saint Pio of Pietrelcina, faithful servant of Jesus, you suffered the unbearable wounds of Christ, and you still serve God's purpose and goodwill. You are honored as the patron of those who suffer from pain, and known for your many accounts of healing. I ask you, through your intercession, to grant me the graces of the most blessed sacrament. Heal me and alleviate my wounds and suffering, so that I may better serve God. Amen.